2003, Rhodes partnered with Grinder Tabor Grinder to construct the Paul Barrett Jr. Library. Barrett Library was a very ambitious project for us. It had a very unique timeline. It was designed in our traditional Collegiate Gothic style of architecture. It was a very large building, 140,000 square feet, contained 2 towers, an outdoor cloister, a lot of intricate millwork. Grinder Tabor Grinder delivered the Paul Barrett Jr. Library on time and on budget.
I've worked with Grinder Tabor Grinder since when I came here in 2001. I think the most challenging job we did here at Rhodes College was the renovation of our refectory building, which is our kitchen, main kitchen in addition to that. They had 1 year to get it done. We had to be open for the next school year. And I remember one time going to Billy Smith and saying, Billy, what are you thinking? Because after about half the year, you look at it and you're not seeing half a job in, or so I thought. And he said, you just watch, Jeff, we're gonna get this thing on time. And sure enough, they came in right on time.
Grinder Tabor Grinder has long had the reputation of just being a quality contractor. It starts with their people, from the principals to the project management staff, field superintendents, the support staff, all quality people, well seasoned in the construction industry, always willing to do what's needed for the client.
The people that work at Grinder it's not only a working relationship, it's a personal relationship. The late Larry Pillow was a mentor of mine. He asked me one day, I remember this was 10 or 15 years ago. He asked me, he said, Jeff, is your mother still living? And I said, she sure is. He said, do you call her? I said, I call her every other day. He said, you need to keep doing that, son. And it was from that moment on, he always asked me, how's your mother doing? How's your mother doing?
I enjoyed my 20 plus years of working with Grinder Tabor Grinder, and I wish them another 20 in the business.
We're doing our master plan now, and it's including some construction. And I am very much hoping that Grinder Tabor Grinder is a part of that. They've been an invaluable resource in the planning stages all the way to the finish. They've just been tremendous.